Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Lydia.
I'm Luke.
And I'm Alex. Today we're going to be making zucchini bread with these ingredients.
You will need 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 eggs, and
1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of olive oil,
And zucchini.
Alright, so now we're going to mix our dry ingredients together. So we're going to start off with the all-purpose flour.
Now we're going to put in the whole wheat flour. Now we're gonna mix it all up. Alright, now we have to mix the flours up real good. I got it on myself a little bit, but that's okay.
So now, once it's mixed up pretty well, we are going to add the salt, the baking soda, the baking powder, and Luke is going to add in the cinnamon.
Alright, now we mix that all up. It'll look like what it looked like before we added the other ingredients. So this. Alright, so now that we've put the dry ingredients in the bowl, we can put the wet ingredients in this bowl. Got the eggs. The olive oil. The sugar. And finally the brown sugar.
And then Luke is going to add in
Sorry
the vanilla.
folks, it seems you got a case of the giggles. Alright, now put in the vanilla. Alright.
Okay, so now that all the ingredients are in there, we're going to use an electric mixer to mix it all together. So, you want to start on a low speed and then get it a little bit higher.
Alright.
Okay, so once you have all your wet and dry ingredients, you're going to mix them together. And it's going to be kind of thick and hard to mix together, so you're going to add your zucchini.
Zucchini.
You're going to add your zucchini. Oh my
You're
gosh.
going to add your zucchini and put it in the bowl. Like that.
Like so.
And put the whole thing in there. And then,
It's good.
with the same spoon,
You're going to mix it
we're
together.
going to mix it. It'll be really thick and tough, but the moisture from the zucchini
We'll make it a little bit
easier to think.
And it sounds gross.
Sounds like mac and cheese.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
And it looks
ladies and
like-
gentlemen.
It looks like a
Look at that.
looks like a jungle.
Wait a second.
Looks like a jungle.
It
Smells like fall.
Oh.
Yeah. This time it actually does. Earlier it smelled like spice.
Well, ooh. It will be really thick and it'll
Ready?
sound kind of gross.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you dare me to?
Now Luke is going to
My
mix a little
hand.
bit.
Professional. It's a professional.
And then you're gonna, once it's like all combined.
And it's easier to
Ready?
mix.
Watch this, Luke. Watch. Ready? You go. Ugh. Ugh.
And don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid to get your hands up in it. Because it's gonna be pretty hard to mix.
Do you dare me to put my head in there?
No.
9.
I double dare you to do this. 9 means no, I'm pretty sure. In French.
German.
German? No. It's
go.
Alright, so once everything is mixed together, you're going to put it in two 8x4-inch pans. And we actually added chocolate chips in one of them to spice it up a little bit. So now we're going to put it into our oven.
Alright, so we got the finished product right here.
And now you're going to put it in your oven preheated to 325 for about 20 minutes. So after about 45 minutes or so, we took it out of the oven and it rose a little bit, so now we're going to try it.
This is the one with chocolate chips in it.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm going to try the smallest piece.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Alright guys, well, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends about us, and
Don't get messy.
oh. Well, bye.